van gebeure. Dit is a summary of what happened. Amazole, 'n jong Zulu vrou, besef sy is swanger nadat Mlenzana haar verloofde Igoli Johannesburg toe vertrek het om op die myne te gaan werk. Mlenzana het nie geweet Amazole verwag sy kind nie. Amazolo, a young Zulu woman, realizes she is pregnant after Mlenzana, her fiancé, went to Johannesburg, Egoli, to go and work at the mines. Mlenzana didn't know that Amazolo was pregnant from him. Wanneer die kind gebore word, wil Amazolo niks met hom te doen hê nie. Sy gee ook nie vir hom 'n naam nie. Siziwe die Isangoma stuur die kind na Tandi, wat ook 'n baba het, om hom te versorg. When the child was born, Amazolo wanted nothing to do with it. She also doesn't give the child a name. Siziwe, the Sangoma, sends the child to Tandi, who also has a baby, to look after it. Wanneer die kind 1 jaar oud is, bring Tandi hom weer terug na Amazolo. Amazolo raak baie lief vir die kind en hulle ontwikkel 'n hegte verhouding. When the child is 1 year old, Tandi brought him back to Amazolo. Amazolo loves the child again, and they develop a tight relationship. Tandi en Mvula se seun, Zolile, word deur 'n bil doodgetrap. Tandi sê toe dat Amazolo se kind eintlik haar kind is en dat Amazolo se kind dood is. Amazolo vlug weg met die kind, maar keer terug toe sy besef dat die kind meer geleenthede in 'n welgestelde huis sal hê. Mlenzana, wat intussen teruggekom het, ondersteun Amazolo. Tandi and Mvula's son, Zolile, was killed by a bull, trampled by a bull. Tandi said that Amazolo's child was actually her son, and that Amazolo's child was trampled by the bull. Amazolo runs away with the child, but returns when she realizes that there are more opportunities in a well-off home. Mlenzana, who came back, also supports Amazolo in this. Amazolo word van ontvoering aangekla en bring 3 jaar in die tronk deur. Sy besef nie dat Mlenzana reeds voor haar oorsaak deur die skelm Sipho vermoor is nie. Die kind kry Zolile se naam en word nou deur Tandi en Mvula grootgemaak. Amazolo is accused of kidnapping, and she spends 3 years in jail, Tronkus jail. She doesn't realize that Mlenzana, already before the court case, was murdered by the crook Sipho. The child gets Zolile's name and is now being raised by Tandi and Mvula. Wanneer Amazolo uit die tronk kom, keer sy terug na Msinga. Sy stem egter in na ruk om terwille van die kind weg te trek. Sy wil nie hê hy moet oor sy identiteit twyfel nie. When Amazolo is released from jail, she returns to Msinga. She actually agrees after a while not to move away uh, for the sake of the child. She doesn't want the child to have a struggle or to have a problem about his identity. She doesn't want him to question his identity. Wanneer Zolile 'n jong man is, ontmoet hy vir Nomsa, Sipho se dogter, en raak verlief op haar. Zolile besef dat Amazola eintlik sy ma is en dat sy pa Mlenzana deur Sipho vermoor is. When Zolile became a young man, he meets Nomsa, Sipho's daughter, and he falls in love with her. Zolile realizes that Amazola was actually his mother and that his father, Mlenzana, was murdered by Sipho. Zolile gaan haal die siek Amazola en bring haar terug na Msinga. Die verhaal eindig wanneer Zolile op die punt is om vir Amazola aan Nomsa, haar toekomstige skoondogter, voor te stel. Zolile fetches the sick Amazola and brings her back to Msinga. The story ends where Zolile is at the point where he's going to introduce Amazola to Nomsa, her future daughter-in-law.